In an era in which Wall Street financiers are worshipped, we're here to hold them and the financial press accountable for perpetuating the myth of false idols. Just 6 months ago, Barron's, the venerated weekly financial magazine, reported that these brilliant billionaires were all extremely bearish. Well, anyone following their advice would have missed out on a powerful new leg in the long bull market. Yet there's been no follow-up in Barron's about their terrible advice, and it may not be forthcoming. In his column on August 6, 2016, Randall Forsythe, who has written about investing in Barron's for over 3 decades, documented the billionaire's bellicose outlook for investors. On the web, the story teased readers saying, Bill Gross says he doesn't like bonds or stocks. Sell everything as advised by Jeffrey Gundlach. And Stanley Druckenmiller, George Soros, and Carl Icahn all have declared themselves negative on stocks. The column refers to these 5 men as billionaire bears, as elder statesmen of the markets, and as smart money. But just how smart are Barron's and Wall Street's biggest names? Here are the facts. After moving sideways from mid-2015 to mid-2016, frightening investors twice along the way with double-digit plunges, the Standard & Poor's 500 surged in the second half of 2016. To their credit, Barron's noted Carl Icahn's misfortune in a January 10th article entitled, Icahn's Hedge Fund Loses 20% in 2016, and its sister publication, The Wall Street Journal, on January 13th, reported that George Soros lost $1 billion betting against the U.S. stock rally. For Mr. Forsythe to revisit last August's bad advice from the bears would burn the biggest names on Wall Street, his best sources. That may never happen. The myth of these idols of Wall Street, for now, remains intact. The readers of one of the nation's most venerable financial publications may never get the real facts. Many investors may never figure out that most of these Wall Street gods made their fortunes buying single companies that were undervalued, not calling world financial markets, or that some of them simply could have been lucky in the past.